Welcome! In this video you will discover how to reverse text in MS Excel using a combination of various functions. Type the displayed formula into an empty cell and press the Enter key. The length function returns the total characters in a cell. The sequence function generates a list of sequential numbers in an array. The MID function returns a specific number of characters from a text. The concat function joins two or more text strings together. The respective output of each function for the displayed text. You can also use the text join function to reverse the text. The function concatenates all the characters with an empty delimiter.